Good morning, children. Welcome to class 4 Social Studies. Previous class I have explained chapter 3's short answers and fill in the blanks, and I told you to do in copy. I hope all of you have done in copy. Today I will explain the long answers of this lesson, of this chapter. Long answers. All of you take out your page number 24. Page number 24, long answer type questions. Long answers. Write down the importance of being a good neighbor. Page number 21 it is there. Write down the importance of being a good neighbor. Importance of being a good neighbor and a good citizen is given in your page number 21. 3 points are there, but I have cut the first point and have written the 2 points. So these 2 points you can write. Write down the importance of being a good neighbor. Number 1, a good neighbor helps each other and supports at the time of difficulty. Number 2, a good neighbor keeps the surroundings of the home clean and tidy. These are the 2 points. A good neighbor helps each other and supports at the time of difficulty. If any difficulty they have, they supports each other and helps. Then a good neighbor keeps the surroundings of the home clean and tidy. Surroundings of the home clean and tidy. These are the importance of being a good neighbor. Then next question is, write down the 3 characteristics of a good neighbor. Characteristics, features. Any 3 features or any 3 characteristics of a good neighbor. 5 characteristics are given in your page number 21. All of you take out your page number 21. 5 characteristics are given there. Any 3 you have to write. Any 3. So listen. Number 1 I have written here. Good neighbors are social and friendly. First point, good neighbors are social and friendly. The remaining part of the point I have cut, and that only I have written here. Good neighbors are social and friendly. Then next point I have written from the third. That means a good neighbor keeps the environment and the building clean. A good neighbor keeps the environment and the building clean. Second point. Then third point is, a good neighbor helps to others when they have any problem. A good neighbor helps to others when they have any problem. These are the 3 points. Any 3 characteristics of a good neighbor. Once again I will read. Good neighbors are social and friendly. A good neighbor keeps the surroundings and the building clean. A good neighbor helps to others when they have any problem. Clear? Yes. The next question is, list 5 features of a good citizen. List any 5 features of a good citizen. Features means characteristics. Swabhav. How many features are given there? Page number 21 and 22. 7 features are given there. From these 7 features you have to select any 5 and write. Any 5 features of a good citizen. I will read the features that I have written here. A good citizen always obeys the laws and respects the government. A good citizen always obeys the laws and respect the government. That is the first point. Then next, a good citizen loves his or her country and shows patriotism. A good citizen love his country and shows patriotism. What is meant by patriotism? Patriotism means the feeling of one's own feeling of love of one's own country. That is known as patriotism. Patriotic song that you have heard, patriotic song. What is it? Desha Bhakti Gan. No, actually patriotism, the word meaning is Desha Bhakti. So patriotism shows patriotism. A good citizen loves his or country and shows patriotism. Then third point is, a good citizen is responsible towards the public property. Public property we have already learned. What are the public properties? Public bus, railway station, bus station, park, museum, historical monuments. Okay, all these are the parks, roads, schools, colleges, hospitals. All these are the public places or public properties. So a good citizen is responsible towards the public property. A good citizen has to show responsibility towards the public property. That means he has to safeguard or protect the public property. Then next point is, a good citizen is trustworthy and honest. Trustworthy, trust means belief. A good citizen should be reliable or believable to others. Okay, and honesty is a good quality. That means don't say any lie. Okay, that means always do the things properly, honest. Clear? So a good citizen is trustworthy and honest. Then the next point is, a good citizen takes all interest in public affairs. All the public affairs we have to take interest. That means we show interest in the government affairs, such as election, then paying tax, then caring for public properties, love, show patriotism, then trustworthy. Okay, respect the value of others, respect the authority of the government. All these are the public affairs. So public affairs, we have to show the interest in public affairs. Okay, if a citizen shows all this, he will be a good citizen. Clear? So these are the 5 features of a good citizen. Once again I will read. A good citizen always obeys the laws and respects the government. A good citizen loves his or country and shows patriotism. A good citizen is responsible towards the public property. A good citizen is trustworthy and honest. A good citizen takes all interest in public affairs. Okay, so these 3 long answers today I explained. Okay, these 3 long answers you have to do in copy. Okay, understand? Once again I will read all the 3 long answers. The remaining I will explain next class. Write down the importance of being a good neighbor. A good neighbor helps each other and support at the time of difficulty. A good neighbor keeps the surroundings of the home clean and tidy. Then second question, write down the 3 characteristics of a good neighbor. A good neighbors are social and friendly. Good neighbor keeps the environment and the building clean. A good neighbor helps to others when they have any problem. Then third question, list any 5 features of a good citizen. A good citizen obeys the laws and and respects the government. A good citizen loves his or country and shows patriotism. A good citizen is responsible towards the public property. A good citizen is trustworthy and honest. A good citizen takes all interest in public affairs. Okay, clear? These 3 question answer you have to do in copy. Okay, bye.